Hello everybody, happy Sunday. My name is Tara and welcome to my closet. I haven't vlogged all weekend. I was in the Poconos cleaning my house. In the Poconos, so when I go there this week, it's beautiful. I cleaned out every single closet. And then I came home and I did the same thing here. So everything looks so neat. I'm spraying this. Oh my God, vanilla Phlur. This is just... Phlur. I'm talking about vanilla skin because that's what I wear. This cherry stem smells so damn good. Oh my God. So I've been mixing this. Usually I wear vanilla skin by Phlur and I mix it with K-Alley 28. So now I got the cherry stem and I'm mixing it with K-Alley Love Fest Burning Cherry. Oh my God, it smells so nice. When I first bought this, see, I got the whole bottle left. I didn't like the smell. And now that I'm mixing both of them, oh my God, it smells so nice. And it's not too sweet where, you smell like a young girl. Because we're 50 and fabulous, 56 and fabulous. We're not young anymore, but we try. So I got this cute bodysuit too at Walmart for 10 bucks. It's double lined. It's so comfortable. And I got an awesome robe from Walmart. Check this out. Is this beautiful? I love this. It's 23 bucks. This is my new favorite robe now. Look how cute this is. I just ordered a coat like this from Fashion Nova. And I have two coats from ASOS that I'm going to show you. Look how nice this is. For $23.98. It's so pretty. It's a really nice color too. It's got a lot of nice browns in it. It's not like a muted one. So nice. Walmart. So nice. They had them in black, a pink, a gray with bows on it. But I wasn't into it. This is beautiful and I love it. I'm gonna see if I can get another one for my Pocono house. So this is the first jacket I got from ASOS. So it's one size fits all, and it is a cute coat. So I needed a brown coat. This is like a sloppy one, but I just love the way it's cut. I just think it looks so pretty. It's so easy to wear with a pair of jeans and a little white shirt. And it has snap buttons. So it looks a little big, but it's a one size. I can always get another snap button and have my tailor bring it in. Alexa, stop! But I just think it's so nice. And it was, I think, $75. It's not that heavy, but it's really, really nice. I just think it looks really, really cute and put together. And then I needed a black coat. So I'm going to show you the black one, but I'm just really digging this nice color brown too. I never ordered anything from ASOS. This is the first time. And I got a bag too, a clutch bag. It's really, really cute. So this was the first jacket. Now the second one, this one was $140. So this is the, I got it in a size 2, which I guess is an extra small. I like it because it's a nice black coat and it has a really high collar. I just think it looks so pretty because all these high collar things are in. It's got double clicking over here, so double buttons. So it's really nice. And it's got a belt, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So it closes. I just think it's really classy. It's got this design on it. It's got the high neck. Let me get the button. So cute. I really needed a black coat, like a long black one. And I like the neck detail. How cute is this? I like the belt. So nice. I don't know if they have this in like a light gray. That would be really nice. I need a light gray coat. But isn't this nice? So cute. It's not too heavy. I have a short one just like this, like a short pea coat. But this is really nice. It's got a nice button. But I'm just loving this detail. Like I said, this one was $140. The other one I think was $120 or $70, $89, $99. But not bad. I like this coat. Really. I never ordered from there, like I said. But I'm liking ASOS. I think I found a new place to order stuff. I need a gray coat. And I need a fur coat. I want a fake fur in a black short one. I have to find one. I've been looking. I just ordered a beautiful one from Fashion Nova, and it looks like the robe I just tried on. Oh my god, I can't wait to get it. I wanted a long one, but I'm just loving this detail. I just love the high neck. I just think it looks so classy. So this was my little haul from ASOS, and I do have an H&M haul. I have a few packages. I got a box from them. Please hold. Let's see, this is the first from H&M. I don't remember what I bought. Oh, it's a brown. Oh, I know what this is. A brown vest. I just think this is so pretty. It's a nice chocolate brown, and I have it in gray. I tried it on the other day, but look at this one. It's a really nice chocolate brown. How pretty is this? Definitely with a nice pair of dress pants. Too cute. I just love it. Oh, maybe I'll wear this tomorrow. So nice. I really, really like this. It's like a dark, deep brown. I have one in gray somewhere. Let me see. Here it is. Here's the one in gray. How nice are these? I forgot the price of this. I think it was maybe $29.99. Oh yeah, it was $29.99. Cute, 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 right? I'm just loving this one. I'm loving this dark brown chocolate. I know everybody's into chocolate brown. I mean, I have a couple of things in brown, but I didn't go crazy. I went crazy in the summer wearing like that mocha color and that like light chocolatey brown. But this is really, really nice. This dark, dark brown. Let me see what else we got. Okay, I bought what is this? It looks like a beige sweater. Oh, I think it's a oversized sweater. They have cute oversized sweaters in the H&M. And I needed one. I like high collar neck. This is pretty too. I like this detail. It's like it's very, very soft too. It's almost like a cashmere. It feels very like a mohair. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I love the sleeves too. This was the price. How come the price is not on this one? Oh, I guess when you order from online, they don't put the price. They don't leave the prices on it. So this is pretty, right? Oh, I'm loving it. What a nice skirt or a pair of jeans tucked in like that. It's a really, really nice material too. Nice, like not too thin and not too heavy. This is really, really nice too. I forgot what I ordered from H&M. I'm so glad I got it. Nice color too. I love this color. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I bought another oversized sweater like the one I just had on. This is in a burgundy color. Let's see what this one looks like. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm liking it. I am. This color is really, really nice. It's like a deep burgundy. It'll match my new boots that I got. Where are they? Oh my god, they're so pretty. I'll show you them. Look how pretty these are. So nice, right? I got a pointy toe one. Really pointy toe and shorter, like here. And another pair. But these are so pretty. See the color? It matches exactly with the sweater. With a nice gray skirt, light gray skirt. This is really, really nice. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. It's not too big and it's not too small. Because I don't like oversized sweaters. But I did get an oversized one. But it's in a really like light pink color. It's so pretty. I've seen it on the website. And I don't know, it just struck my attention. It got my attention, so I bought it. Like we all do. Something gets our attention, and we as women just do it. Look how pretty this color is. And this is an oversized sweater, because this is an extra small. This is pretty. I love this color. Cute, 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 with a nice pair of light jeans. High-waisted. Look how cute this is. Oh, it feels so good too. It's like a mohair too. So pretty. Look how cute this is. I'm just loving this color. This color is stunning. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty in pink, as they say, correct? And the last thing is a coat jacket with a scarf attached to it, which I'm just loving them. I'm loving the coats, the short jackets with the scarf attached to it. So let's see what it looks like. I don't remember how much. I think this thing was maybe $75. It was a little more on the pricey side for H&M. But, oh God, it's so pretty. It's a coat with a scarf attached to it, and I got it in a size extra small. And it looks a little big, so I guess it runs big. And it's in this chocolate brown. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And then it has the scarf detail right here. Oh, I'm loving it. Let's button it. I bought one from Walmart too, just like this, but in a camel color, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it. Now I'm deciding. This one has pockets here, and here's the scarf detail. This is cute, right? Look how cute this is. It's got a little opening over here. It's got 2 pockets. Oh my God, it's so pretty. This is pretty chocolate brown. I think it was maybe $75. So nice. I am just loving this. Oh my God, what am I gonna wear tomorrow? Looks like I'm wearing something brown tomorrow. Oh, I got a nice skirt from Nordstrom. Look at this skirt. I got it on sale. I just happened to be walking down the aisle, and the skirt was $50. Look how pretty that is, with the black detail at the bottom. Oh, I think I'm going to be wearing this tomorrow with a pair of black boots, a black bodysuit, and this jacket. We got an outfit, ladies. I just got my outfit for tomorrow. I just got a bodysuit too. So we're going to do this skirt, this bodysuit that I just got from Amazon, a new company called Inga, I-N-G-A. Ugh, it's double lined. It's so nice. It's just like this warm one I have. And then this jacket and a pair of Steve Madden boots. I don't know if I want to do brown boots or I want to do black boots. Probably black. I like black and brown. And this is the outfit for tomorrow. So stay tuned for my get ready with me tomorrow morning, because I'll be wearing all my new stuff. How cute is this? Loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. This is the outfit for tomorrow. I had something else picked out, but this is it. Oh, and I bought these gloves. These are sexy. Look at these gloves. These are hot. I'm just loving them. Look how cute these are. So they go all the way up. Look how nice these are to wear underneath a cape. Just loving them. to wear underneath the cape. How pretty are these? So sexy. Love them, love them, love them, love them. So nice. What else did I buy? Let me see what else I bought. One more. Let's see what it is. I don't remember. I don't recall. Oh, I gotta show you the bag from ASOS too. Oh, this is a dress. Yes, it is. Nice, nice, nice. Spandex dress with some gathering here. Does it come off the shoulder? Oh, I think it comes off the shoulder. Yep, it hangs off the shoulder. So pretty. That's also H&M. Oh, let me show you this bag from ASOS. I lost all my light. I'm sorry. My lights just went out. Look how nice this bag is. This clutch. Such a great size too, right? It's not too small, not too big. It just fits just right. From ASOS, an ASOS special. Loving it, loving it. I'm loving this bodysuit too from Walmart. So cute, right? So that was my little ASOS haul and my H&M haul. I'll have everything linked in the description. And, oh, I bought one more thing. I bought this cute pink belt from Walmart. It's like a velvet light pink. Isn't it pretty? And I have no light right now. But isn't that pretty? So I hope you enjoyed my little ASOS and my little H&M haul, because I enjoyed opening it because I totally forgot what I bought. And I'm loving this bag, and I got my outfit for tomorrow. So stay tuned for my Get Ready For Me. Again, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tara. I'm 56 and fabulous. And if you love fashion, fashion, and more fashion, you came to the right place. Welcome to my closet. And stay tuned for the next video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that hype button, and hit that notification bell so every time I make a video, you will be notified. And I will see you in the next video. I have tons of stuff, massive haul and massive boot video coming up. So stay tuned. See you later. Catch you in the next one.